The paleo diet is not something that is new to the fitness world. This diet has been around for a while and its origin is said to come from the caveman era. The Paleolithic diet is what it is normally called but shortened to the paleo diet. This diet was designed to copy or mimic the eating habits of the cavemen or prehistoric man. This is a low-carb diet, but not like the Atkins diet or South Beach diets. The paleo diet does not advocate counting carbs or calories but has you focus on the food that will increase your energy from protein and cut back on your carbs to improve your health and performance. The diet does consist of eating certain things such as lean meats that are very lean, not your high-fatty meats like ribeyes, roasts, etc. And other meats would also include liver and kidneys, eggs, chicken, turkey, pork, lamb, goat, bison, ground beef, jerky, rabbit, elk, wild game, deer, quail, pheasant, bear, wild boar, etc., rattlesnake also. The more natural the better it will be for you. As far as vegetables you can eat on the paleo diet, that would include turnips, radish, onions, green onions and carrots, celery, broccoli, zucchini, all kinds of peppers, parsley, cabbage, eggplant, cauliflower are all good choices because they are what the diet considers to be root vegetables. Also any green leafy vegetables like baby greens, kale, lettuce, spinach, chard, romaine. You can get carbohydrates from starchy vegetables such as sweet potatoes, yams, quinoa, lentils and squash. Seafood is good also. Shrimp, salmon, scallops, octopus, eel, oysters, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies, trout, bass, tuna, halibut, tilapia, walleye, shark. Carbs are what makes a person fat, not the oils. Natural oil and fats are what gives your body energy. Olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, macadamia oil, sesame seed oil and real butter. All other oils should be avoided in the paleo diet. List of nuts you can have while on the paleo diet, which are almonds, hazelnuts, pecans, pine nuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, macadamia nuts, walnuts. Peanuts are not actually a nut but a legume. Avoid peanut butter and peanut oil because of the dangerous lectins they contain in it. Fruits contain large amounts of fructose, which is still sugar. So limit your fruit intake to 1 to 3 servings a day. Just don't overdo it when eating high-sugar fruits. Paleo diet foods. The diet is a low-carb lean diet if you can discipline yourself to follow a lean diet. You can lose the weight, but you still need to watch what you eat to maintain the weight loss. The diet has been around since the mid-70s and it was designed to bring the person back to the natural way of life before the civilization and technology continued to roll forward and took away the natural source of produce that was growing in across the land. The diet is good in its concept by taking what is natural and eating it, and by avoiding the sugars and salts that have resulted in health problems such as increased obesity issue across our country. The diet is strict and will take a lot of discipline to stay on, but think of the long-term benefits from this diet. It can reduce the risk of heart diseases, diabetes, because people would lose weight and eat healthier and help their sugar levels. You will lose weight if you're obese or if you're just overweight. It can improve your performance as an athlete, more energy during the day, sleep better, increased libido, and by eating better you will think clear and improve your mental thinking and enjoy a longer, healthier life. Such great benefits for a small sacrifice, your time and effort. Also to note, with any diet, maintain a proper exercise regimen. Diets alone cannot help you lose weight. No more salt, sugar or processed foods. Only food that is high in essential nutrients is what you will find in the paleo diet. No measuring your food or eating a lot of meals throughout the day like fitness or bodybuilders does. Follow the allowed foods and you can enjoy eating.